Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Toro meme coin airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Toro is a meme coin on the Cosmos ecosystem and currently they are doing an airdrop. Now if we go down over here, as you can see, 55% of this meme coin is being airdropped to TIA stakers and 15% to stTIA holder. Now there would be another snapshot that would be coming for Milky Way stakers. So I will exactly go ahead and show you that in some time. Now the overall supply for this meme coin is 24 billion with 55% for TIA staker and around 15% for liquid stake TIA's token on the Stride platform, which is like 15%. And liquidity provider is 20% and the treasury team is 10%. Now I'm not sure why they haven't included the Milky Way TIA over here. They should, because I will show you exactly in some time what they have mentioned. Now, in order to qualify for Stride airdrop as well as future airdrops on the Stride network, you can basically go ahead and liquid stake your TIA tokens over here on the Stride platform. So basically, it will be liquid staked in 1:1 ratio minus some fees. And basically, if you stake like around 10 TIA, then you will be getting like around 9.81 liquid staked TIA token on the Stride platform. So this basically you can use this stTIA for maybe swapping or any other coins or tokens on the Cosmos ecosystem. Now there are some other airdrops as well. So if we go over here, as you can see, now they would be airdropping to liquid stakers of Dime on Stride platform. So basically all you have to do is you have to go over here and select for Dime over here, and here you can select the amount of Dime you want to stake. Let's say if you want to stake like around 200 Dime tokens, then you would be getting like 198.78 ST Dime tokens. Now the next snapshot for Toro coin would be coming on the Milky Way. So this is basically a Milky Way where you can go ahead and stake your TIA tokens in order to receive the Milky Way airdrop as well as Toro airdrop. Now I think the snapshot is not taken, because if we go over here to their airdrop page, as you can see, the snapshot for Celestia was on 13 December 2023. For Stride it was like 10th February 2024, and Milky Way is oncoming. And minimum requirement of staking was like for TIA tokens was 2 TIA, for stTIA also 2, and for milkTIA also 2. So very small requirement, to be honest. And all you have to do is, in order to claim this airdrop, you have to copy your Celestia address. So I will just show you the example of my Celestia or TIA wallet, and I will simply go ahead and paste it. And as you can see, I have already claimed this Toro for stTIA. Now they have mentioned something like there would be some burning mechanism for this meme coin. So as you can see, they have mentioned like just like the limited supply of 21 million Bitcoin, any unclaimed Toro token from the halving airdrop at the end of each period will be burned. So they have this burning mechanism. Now I'm not sure what would be the utility of this meme coin in the future. I think they also have something called as a NFT prompt, where you will be able to like mint this NFT. Let me check this quickly because I haven't checked it. So this is some complex code stuff. I will need to go ahead and check this because there is Node.js and everything. So I will need to go ahead and check this on my Node.js or maybe GitHub. So you still have like around, I think so, 15 days to claim this airdrop, if I'm correct. Let me go. Yeah, 15 days, 14 hours and 53 minutes from the time of making this video. And this is only the phase 2. I think there would be more coming in the future. So this is all for Toro meme coin airdrop video, and also how you can go ahead and claim this. In case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.